So in this specific video, I'm going to show you how to create visitor-friendly sitemaps for easy content organization. Ever wondered if you go to a big company's website and you notice that they have a link that says sitemap, and when you click that link, you're able to see pages, subpages, and all these categories, and it's just easy to see the site layout by looking at that one page. Well, this is basically the same thing, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So basically, in order for this to work, we're going to need to have several posts and several pages. If I click Add New Posts, and I'm going to open these in brand new windows, and under Pages, click on Add New Page, and currently, since I do not have any posts or pages, I am going to create a bunch of posts and pages. So I'm going to pause this video and create several posts and pages so that you can see how the sitemap works. Okay, so now I've created a bunch of posts and pages, and if I go to the live site and refresh the page here, you'll notice that we've got Home, About Us, Contact Us, Page 1, Page 2, Post 1, 2, and 3. So I just added these just now. Now, the bigger your site gets, the harder it is to find content. So we want to make sure that our visitors are able to find our content. And if I go back to the dashboard here, and I go under plugins, there's a specific plugin that we're going to be using called the Quay plugin. And that is KWAYY HTML sitemaps, and do a search on plugins, and this is the specific plugin that we're going to be using. If we click on Install Now, click OK, go through the process of installing this plugin, enter your username and password, click Activate Plugin, and there we go. Now let's customize the settings. As you can see, it's actually very, very simple, nothing too complex. It's simply the post, the pages, and that just tells the plugin, how do you want the HTML sitemap to be developed? Do you want only posts, or do you want only pages? In this example, we're going to leave both of these checked because we want posts and pages. You can also exclude certain posts as well. Now, if you don't know what the post number is because it's asking you to enter a page ID, I'm going to show you how to do that, because especially if you've turned your permalinks on and you go to the live site, you'll notice that you can't really see the number. To figure out the number, it's actually very simple. If I go under posts and view all the posts, I'm going to open this in a brand new tab. And if you click on that post, at the very top here, you're going to see the number post equals 125. This is the exact post ID. So let's say, for example, I don't want to include this in the sitemap. That's how I figure out the number, and I can simply enter the number here. In this case, we're going to leave this blank, click on Save Changes, and that's it. Now, there is one last step, and basically this specific plugin is going to give you a shortcode. So if you go over here to the right-hand side here, you're going to need this shortcode. Simply highlight this whole area, copy it. We're going to hop on over to Pages, click on Add New. We're going to call this sitemap. In this area, basically type in this shortcode, click on Publish, and we can actually preview the changes. And as you can see, sitemap, you can see the posts as well as the pages. Now it's going to be easier for your visitors to navigate your site, especially once you have tons and tons of posts and tons of pages. And that's it.